Looking to elevate your backyard comfort? In this video, we're reviewing the best outdoor patio shades to help you beat the heat and add style to your outdoor space. Stay tuned for top picks you'll love. Number 1. Coolaroo Roller Shade. If you're searching for a dependable and stylish way to cool down your outdoor living space, the Coolaroo Roller Shade is a fantastic option. Designed with Coolaroo's signature breathable fabric, this roller shade blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays while still allowing air to circulate, making patios, porches, and decks significantly more comfortable. Its impressive cooling effect not only improves the feel of your space, but can also help lower energy costs when installed over windows. A standout feature of the Coolaroo Roller Shade is its cordless, child-safe design. Using a simple wand crank mechanism, it's easy to raise and lower without any tangled cords or safety hazards. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware and instruction manual. You have the flexibility to mount it on a wall or ceiling, and the fade-resistant fabric ensures long-lasting performance even under constant sun exposure. When it comes to maintenance, the shade is a breeze to clean. Just hose it off or wipe it down with a damp cloth for a quick refresh. Whether you're hoping to create a shaded patio retreat or reduce the sun's glare on your windows, this durable, easy-to-use roller shade offers dependable performance with a clean, modern look. Number 2. Love Story Roller Shade. The Love Story Roller Shade provides a beautiful and functional shading solution perfect for a variety of outdoor settings. Made with high-quality, 100% new HDPE, high-density polyethylene shade fabric, this product blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays while delivering a shading rate of 85 to 90%, slightly less for lighter color options. It's ideal for decks, porches, pergolas, poolsides, or any backyard area where you need effective sun protection without sacrificing style. Love Story's thoughtful design includes durable stainless steel D-rings at each corner for sturdy, hassle-free installation. Unlike some competitors, this shade uses a single, unspliced piece of fabric, improving its visual appeal and shade consistency. The product comes with thicker, reliable ropes, though you'll need to purchase installation accessories separately for the best results. It's worth noting that this shade isn't waterproof, so it's designed primarily for sun protection rather than rain shelter. One of the appealing features of the Love Story Roller Shade is the availability of multiple sizes and custom options to suit different areas. Just be mindful of the installation guidelines, allowing for 0.5 to 1 foot of space for mounting accessories and fabric tolerance due to material elasticity. Number 3. Cool Area Sunshade Sail. The Cool Area Sunshade Sail offers a smart, reliable way to create a cooler, more comfortable outdoor environment. Made from high-density, 100% new HDPE fabric, this shade sail delivers up to 95% UV protection with an 85 to 90% shading rate. Unlike some models that use spliced panels, this one is constructed from a single piece of fabric, eliminating visible seams and enhancing both aesthetics and shading efficiency. Its durable build includes reinforced stitch seams and rust-proof stainless steel D-rings at every corner, ensuring stability and longevity in a variety of outdoor applications. Installation requires allowing 0.5 to 1 foot of space for mounting accessories and accounting for slight fabric elasticity. This attention to detail makes setup straightforward and secure. The Cool Area Sunshade Sail is perfect for patios, pergolas, gardens, decks, and pools, offering versatile coverage for both residential and commercial spaces. While it's not waterproof, it's excellent at creating a cooler, shaded area for relaxing or entertaining. Customer support is responsive and eager to assist, adding extra peace of mind to your purchase. Overall, this product combines durability, ease of use, and reliable sun protection with a clean, seamless appearance, making it a valuable addition to any outdoor space. Number 4. Radiance Bamboo Blinds. For those who love a natural, rustic look, the Radiance Bamboo Blinds offer an attractive way to shade patios and outdoor areas while adding a touch of charm. Crafted from 99% bamboo slats and 1% cotton weave cord, these outdoor roller shades filter sunlight effectively, softening harsh rays to create a cooler, more pleasant environment. Though they diffuse light rather than block it completely, they're perfect for reducing glare while maintaining a relaxed, airy feel. Privacy is another benefit, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor spaces comfortably. These blinds are waterproof, making them suitable for patios, porches, or covered outdoor lounges without the worry of rain damage. Number 5. Shade Outdoor Roller Shade. The Shade Outdoor Roller Shade delivers reliable sun protection and privacy for a variety of outdoor settings. Featuring a cleverly designed spliced connection tube, this roller shade addresses the challenge of shipping long poles by splitting the tube into 2 sections connected by sturdy aluminum connectors. This design prevents sagging and maintains fabric tension, ensuring a neat, professional appearance. Made from 220 GSM HDPE fabric, this shade effectively blocks 90% of harmful UV rays, offering excellent protection against sun exposure while reducing heat. The cordless operation is handled through a wand-operated manual crank system, making height adjustments simple and safe, an ideal feature for homes with children and pets. Installation is straightforward, with included hardware, a pre-cut template, and a step-by-step video guide, making setup quick and frustration-free. Suitable for patios, porches, pergolas, balconies, gazebos, and carports. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.